foods karong gabi una parts. Barato kaya ang mga foods. Ay, correct. Bumasina.
What is that like money health benefits? Zumba pa.
Kasi feel like napili siya sakit no, so marunong ba ang yung sakit. Di ba feel yung nakasakit? Viruses si feel. Yes, katong naipang bati, no? Naipang bati. Pwede kayo sa mag-zumba. Kaya ganun zumba para sa tanan. Yes, kung kinsa man ka, pwede ka mag-join sa zumba.
Yato mga amiga
tao man ka o dili, apil ka sa zumba. Di ba Chicos Bansa? Ay, nobody will take you higher. No mistake with you. 1, 2, 3. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I acknowledge the arrival of Barangay Captain of Barangay Tibanban, Honorable Vicente Enteng. Thank you so much for coming back. Yes, hi Cap, welcome to Night Market. Alright, wow, na-feel dyan nila ang exercise. Karang gabi una na-feel na nila ilang sweat.
Yes, thank you so much our Zumba dancers pa, very energetic. Sayuan almost an hour ilahang Zumba dance or almost an hour. Yes, thank you so much for supporting our Tibanban Night Market.
Yes, and thank you so much Sir Weldon for our Zumba instructor and Sir Leo.
Yes, every now and then pa madungagan at ang mga vendor.
Yes.
Dibatis mabibo, tagagabi.